The 2020 Audi RS Q8 by Lumma Design. Lumma Design is back with another iteration of the Audi Q8, although this time it has chosen the RS version of the SUV to work on. The German aftermarket company has worked on the standard Q8 in the past and gave it bold exterior looks and customizable power figures based on your preference. This time around, this RS Q8 receives a modified body kit, a lot of carbon fiber elements, and a huge increase in power. Following the footsteps of the Q8's moniker system, this one is called the Lumma CLR 8 rupees. Do we like this version better than Lumma's standard Q8 build? Oh yes. What makes the Audi RS Q8 by Lumma so special? Lumma has added a heavy body kit to the Q8 that makes the SUV look like a large hatchback. The company has been generous with carbon fiber usage. You can spot it in almost every nook and corner of the body. Up front, the grille surrounds are retained, but it receives the black treatment. The honeycomb mesh houses the blacked-out Audi logo. Lumma has equipped a carbon fiber front spoiler lip which makes it lower than the standard Audi Q8. The front is also extended by about 2.4 inches and comes with integrated air inlets and outlets for releasing the brake air heat. Lumma has installed carbon fiber door panels and flared wheel arches. They are a lot more prominent and increase the width of the SUV slightly. The side skirts below the doors further reduce the ground clearance of the SUV. The CLR 8 rupees rides on 23-inch, light alloy wheels finished in a golden yellow shade. If you're a Pokémon fan, you'll see the uncanny resemblance of these wheels to Starmie. You can have them painted in your choice of color. These wheels are wrapped in high-performance 305/30-23 tires. Lumma is also offering performance spacers as an option to widen the track. The rear looks very busy, thanks to a buttload of enhancements. First up, there's a carbon fiber extension that increases the length by around 2.4 inches. The other carbon fiber add-ons include, roof rear spoiler, 3-piece carbon rear spoiler lip, rear diffuser, applications for rear lights, and side panels. Dual exhaust tips on either side round off the aesthetics at the rear. Overall, the Lumma CLR 8 rupees looks super sporty and aggressive. On the inside, things have been left untouched, apart from a few add-ons. These include choice of carbon fiber, leather, wood, or lacquer for the cabin, aluminum pedals, custom floor mats and trunk mats. Lumma says that it will do the conversion with a serial number and provide a certificate of authenticity as well. Are there any changes under the hood? The standard Audi RS Q8 comes with a 4.0-liter, twin-turbocharged V8 engine that makes 591 horses and 591 pound-feet of torque. This is the same engine that's also found under the hood of the 7 rupees Sportback. The engine is mated to an 8-speed Triptronic transmission. Lumma takes these impressive specs up a notch. The CLR 8 rupees makes 705 ponies and 671 pound-feet of twist. The company has also installed a 4-pipe sports exhaust system, with tailpipes finished in black or carbon, and it makes the SUV roar even better. There is no word on the other changes, but Lumma said that the drivers will sense a noticeable improvement in the driving performance. How much does it cost? Lumma Design is charging €38,000 plus taxes, which is approximately $42,600 plus taxes. This includes the paint job, new wheels, the steroid boost to the engine, and body kit elements. Obviously, it is over and above the cost of the donor RS Q8, which retails from $113,000 in the US. Final thoughts. This is not an extravagant price considering all the mods that the company is offering. You're essentially getting a 700-plus horsepower, generously carbon fiber treated flagship SUV from Audi for around $160,000. It seems worth it. The SUV may feel overdone to many people and it will draw polarizing opinions, but I think it looks sporty. The increased power is significant and will plaster a grin to your face every time you floor that a pedal.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.